Transformative education, the catalyst for change in sub-Saharan Africa. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Sub-Saharan Africa operates in an increasingly complicated and linked environment. Global issues like climate change collide with local biodiversity loss. Growing global inequality combines with local social disparities, economic problems, the normalization of violence, and a decline in mental health and socio-emotional resilience at the individual and community levels. Education has the potential to positively influence individuals and communities. Education may also be a significant tool for promoting equality for marginalized groups, as well as a catalyst for progress. The chapter delves into transformative education, as defined in SDG 4.7, and its ability to bring about change in SSA. Introduction. This chapter focuses on the idea of transformative education as a powerful tool to help solve today's biggest challenges like poverty, climate change, inequality, and global health crisis. It is based on the belief that education should do more than just teach reading and math. It should help people become informed, responsible citizens who can make positive changes in their communities and the world. This idea is at the heart of Sustainable Development Goal, SDG, Target 4.7, which aims to ensure that all learners gain the knowledge and values needed to build a fairer, more peaceful, and more sustainable future. The chapter explains how education can support important topics like human rights, gender equality, peace, and respect for cultural diversity. However, these different focuses are often treated separately, which can lead to confusion, fragmented efforts, and missed opportunities for collaboration. The chapter argues that we need to break down these silos and focus on how all these aspects of transformative education work together. Finally, the chapter explores how these ideas can be applied in sub-Saharan Africa, where education can play a key role in driving social change. It aims to inspire better cooperation and stronger policies to make SDG Target 4.7 a reality. Conclusion. Teachers in SSA should take an example from Afghanistan women teachers who are continuing covertly to teach girls, though the fundamentalist ruling regime forbids it. In Burundi, the Peace School brought together children from all backgrounds, encouraged them to imagine a world without war, and in the process stimulated local moves towards reconciliation in which the children took part. Research shows that providing quality transformative education, especially for young men, can reduce the risk of civil war. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.